Welcome to the How to Edit Headings tutorial. Today, you'll learn how to edit headings on your website. The topics covered in today's tutorial are 1. Introduction to the heading widget, 2. How to use the heading widget, and 3. How to style the heading widget. Topic 1. Introduction to the heading widget. The heading widget allows for you to enter in headings on your page. It can be edited through the Elementor editor panel or directly on the page. Headings allow for you to select whether it is H1, H2, H3, and so on, determining its importance on the website. This can be useful for search engines. Topic 2. How to use the heading widget. To get started using the heading widget, open the page you'd like to edit via the Elementor editor. On the left side where the Elementor editor panel is, search for the heading widget. Drag and drop the widget into the section that you'd like it to appear on. You will now see that the Edit Heading editor panel has appeared on the Elementor editor panel. Here you can customize the heading, style the heading, and set advanced settings for the heading. You can enter in your text either in the Edit Heading editor panel or directly on the page where you drag the widget by right-clicking it. You can also add a link to the heading from within the Content tab. Topic 3. How to style the heading. To style the text from the heading widget, select the Style tab from within the Edit Heading editor panel. Here, you can change the heading's color, typography, stroke, shadow, and blend mode. Change the settings to your liking and see the changes reflect on the page. Click on Update to save these changes. You've now learned how to edit headings on your website.